Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about 5th standard 7th chapter, the land of golden sand, Saudi Arabia. In this lesson we are going to discuss some important aspects. What are those? Let's discuss. Identify the characteristics of a desert region. See here, this is the political map of Saudi Arabia, or the political map of desert region. In this lesson, today we are going to discuss about identify the characteristics of a desert region. The second point is describe the location. Describe the location and landscape of Saudi Arabia and discuss the vegetation and wildlife of Saudi Arabia. The last point is explain the life of people in this region. In this region, in the sense, Saudi Arabia region. Let's discuss, children. Okay. Are you remember, children? In the previous class, we discussed about the landforms of the earth. What are those? Plateaus, plains, isthmus, islands, deserts also. Is it? In the previous class, in the previous chapter, we have already learnt about deserts. What are the important deserts in India and the famous deserts of the world? Is it not? Briefly, we have already learnt in the landforms of the lesson, in the landforms of the earth chapter. Briefly, we have already learnt. Today, we are going to discuss, we are going to learn in more detail. Let's discuss. Okay, see here. This is the political map of Saudi Arabia region. So children, a desert is an area covered with the sand. That's what they have given the yellow color. Deserts are large areas of land that are very dry and are usually covered with the deserts are always covered with the sand, and desert experience extreme hot. Okay, next, there is very little water and vegetation due to very little or no rain. Means they do not receive, these areas or the desert areas. The desert areas do not receive much rain. Therefore, only few people and only few plants and trees grow here. All the deserts are not sandy. Children, all the deserts are not sandy and all the deserts are not hot. Some are cold and rocky, but all deserts are very dry. The tropical deserts of the world are located between 20 degree to 30 degree north, 20 degree to 30 degree north and 20 degree to 30 degree south latitudes on the western sides of the continents. On the western sides of the continents. As the climate is unfavorable, these regions are sparsely populated. There are mainly two types of deserts. There are mainly two types of deserts, One is hot desert, another one is cold desert. It will tell you one more interesting thing about this desert region. Do you know that there is a desert in India? Have you seen the desert in India? Yes, it lies in the northwestern part. It lies in the northwestern part of India. It is called the Western Desert or the Great Indian Desert or Thar Desert. See children, it is called the Western Desert or the Great Indian Desert or the Thar Desert. Now we will discuss the tropical deserts. Let's discuss tropical deserts. Now we will discuss the tropical deserts. The Sahara Desert and the Kalahari deserts in Africa. The Colorado and the Mexican deserts in North America. The Atacama Desert in South America. The Great Australian Desert in Australia. The Arabian Desert and Thar Desert in Asia. These are the tropical deserts. These are the tropical deserts. I'll repeat it once. The Sahara and the Kalahari deserts in Africa. The Sahara and the Kalahari deserts in Africa. Next one is the Colorado and Mexican desert. The Colorado and Mexican deserts in North America and the Atacama Desert in South America, the Great Indian Desert in Australia, the Great Australian Desert in Australia, the Arabian and Thar Desert, the Arabian and Thar Desert in Asia. These are the tropical deserts. Now we will discuss Saudi Arabia to understand the life of the people living in a desert region. Let's discuss. Syria. Saudi Arabia is located in the Arabian Desert. It is the largest country of the Middle East. It occupies nearly 3/4 of the Arabian Peninsula. The capital of Saudi Arabia is Riyadh. The capital of Saudi Arabia is Riyadh. Location of Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia lies between the Persian Gulf and the Red Sea. It has a long coastal line. It has a long coastal line. The Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of Saudi Arabia. The western part of the country has plains and rugged mountains. The central and eastern parts have dry deserts and plateaus. The southwestern region of Saudi Arabia has mountainous and it is known for its fresh climate. Saudi Arabia shares its boundaries with the following countries. Let's discuss what are the following countries? Jordan and Iraq in the north and northeast. Jordan and Iraq in the north and northeast neighboring countries or sharing countries. Next, Kuwait, Qatar, Kuwait, Qatar, and Kuwait, Qatar, and Bahrain, and United Arab Emirates, Oman in the southeast, Yemen in the south. These are the following countries shares its boundaries with Saudi Arabia, or Saudi Arabia shares its countries. Saudi Arabia shares its boundaries with the following countries. I'll repeat it once. Jordan and Iraq. Jordan and Iraq. Kuwait, Qatar, Bahrain, and United Emirates. Oman in the southeast, Yemen in the south. These are the countries. Next, we will discuss the climate of Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia is one of the hottest places in the world. Saudi Arabia is one of the hottest places in the world. See children, in all the desert areas, during the day, the sun heats up the sand, causing the day temperatures to rise sharply. At night, what happens children? At night, the sand cools very fast, causing the night temperatures to drop. Because of this reason, therefore, the days are very hot and the nights are cold. In all the desert places, the sun heats up very fast and cools down during the daytime. The sun heats up the sand, causing the day temperatures to rise sharply. At night, what happens? The sand cools very fast, causing the night temperatures to drop. Because of this reason, henceforth, therefore, the days are very hot and the nights are cold. For example, I want to give one example. Rajasthan. Rajasthan receives very little rainfall. There is acute shortage of water in the state. Rajasthan is one of the hottest states of India. It is also, Rajasthan state is also experience extremely hot summer and cold winter season. People in all the desert areas, people use water from wells and tanks. One of the important features of the desert area is sandstorms. Sandstorms are common in desert areas. So children, these are the sandstorms. Sandstorms means sandstorms are common in all the desert regions. Strong winds carry sand from one place to another place. Strong winds carry sand from one place to another place and form sand mounds are called sand dunes. The shape and place of sand dunes keeps on changing with the direction of winds. It keeps on changing as well as it keeps on changing the direction of winds also. See children, desert receives very little rainfall, or in desert area there is a scarcity of water. Why? Because here less rainfall or little rainfall. Because of this reason there is a scarcity of rain. This desert people or desert experiences scarcity of water. The coastal region of Saudi Arabia remains humid throughout the year. However, the southwestern region receives rainfall due to a chain of steep mountains. Hill stations such as Al-Taif and Abha remain cool during summer season. I'll repeat it once. Saudi Arabia is one of the hottest place in the world. During the daytime or in all the desert regions, in all the deserts, during the daytime what will happen children? The sun heats up the sand, causing the day temperatures to rise sharply. At night, what happens children? The sun cools very fast, causing the night temperatures to drop. Therefore, in desert regions, the days are very hot and the nights are cold. And in all the desert regions, sandstorms are very common. What do you mean by sandstorms? Means strong winds carry sand from one place to another and form sand mounds called sand dunes. The shape and place of sand dunes keeps on changing with the direction of winds. Desert area, in desert area, see here, just observe these pictures, see here, here also, see here, the scale, we can observe or we can find out the scarcity of water. See here, desert area, most of the deserts almost covers the sand only. Is it not? Because of less rainfall or little rainfall. See here. Desert receive very little rainfall or no rainfall, and in some coastal region of Saudi Arabia, humid throughout the year. However, the southwestern region receives rainfall due to a chain of steep mountains. Hill stations such as Al-Taifa and Abha remain cool during summer season. In the next class, we will discuss vegetation, wildlife of Saudi Arabia. Thank you.